Light. Multiple choice questions. A few MCQs. The first one is, what kind of a mirror provides images of large areas and is used for security? So as we know, we have studied earlier in case of rear view mirror also, that a rear view mirror is such a mirror which provides a large field of view. So similarly, in case of security mirrors also, large field of view is required. The image is formed smaller than the object and the field around it is very easily visible. That is called a large field of view. So that is done by a convex mirror. Just like a convex mirror is used in case of rear view mirror for vehicles, in the same way it is used as a security mirror also. So the correct answer is option C, convex mirror. Now, next question that we take up, which kind of mirror is used to see enlarged image of the object? So we know that convex mirror will never form an enlarged image. Convex mirror always forms a diminished or smaller than the object image. Then plane mirror forms same size image. Plano-concave mirror also does not form larger. A concave mirror is the one which forms enlarged image, and that is why, since concave mirrors form enlarged images of objects, they are used by dentists to see enlarged images of patients' teeth. Okay, on the other hand, convex mirrors will always form diminished image. That's why, so the correct answer here is concave mirror, and that's why they are also used by dentists to see the patient's teeth. Next question is the same one. Which mirror is used by dentists to focus light on tooth of a patient? So again, just now, as I said, since it forms a large image, so it is concave mirror. Used by dentists is concave mirror. Next question, if a source of light kept at focus, which among the following will form a parallel beam? So we know that for a concave mirror only, light rays coming from focus after means passing through focus after reflection become parallel to the principal axis. That will happen only in case of concave mirror. So if light rays are passing through focus after reflection, they will become parallel to principal axis. So this will happen only in case of a concave mirror. So the correct answer here is for this part is the concave mirror. Okay. Then the next question, and after reflection through a concave mirror, rays of light. So we know that in concave mirror, the rays of light actually meet. So the rays of light will not appear to meet or never meet is also not correct. They will actually meet. So they meet. In torches, searchlights, and headlights of vehicles, a bulb is placed. So it is placed very near to focus of reflector, because when bulb is placed very near to the focus, the light coming from it will come out in the form of parallel rays, which form a well-directed beam of light. So that's why bulb is kept very near to the focus. Then a big shiny spoon is a good example of. So since one of the big shiny spoon side is concave and the other one is convex, so we can say it is an example of a spherical mirror. So a spherical mirror is the answer. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to the practical side for more interesting and informative videos.